Hi everybody and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how can you upgrade your app image. On my previous video, if you have seen it, you'll see that I use an application to create a script so that an app image will behave like a normal application that you just go online and install it. So on this one, I will explain to you guys how can you upgrade or update that application. For instance, I'm going to use a new application that I just downloaded a couple hours ago, and I want to do an update, which is the one I'm using right now is this one here, which is called KD Live. The KD Live that I'm using, if I go here, you'll see that the KD Live version is 20.12.1, which is this one here, as you can see. But the new version is the 21.08.0. That is the one that I want to install next. The easiest way to do this is very simple. First, close the application. Second, we're gonna use the same application that I used on a previous video on how to create the script for a new app image, which is called Menulibre. The Menulibre, as you can see here, let me just show you. That's the name. With this application, what we're gonna do is to replace this app image with this one here. You can go and find on the categories the app, but I normally just type KD, should show up, as you can see here. And next, on the command, where is the application, we're gonna click the folder, go to documents, where I normally put my app image, which is here, double click, and now, as you can see, I've got the older version, yeah, and I have the newer version here, which is what I want. So I'm gonna click here and I press OK. Yeah, by the way, before you do that, make sure that the application, when you right click here, you go to properties, you need to make sure that the permission to execute as a program is ticked. It needs to be ticked, because if it's not gonna show up, it's not gonna work. So with that said, the next thing that I'm gonna do is just to save. So I'll go here where it says Save Launcher and I click it. Now, what this did was to replace this one with this latest one. And now if I close it, you'll see that the app's still here. So if I click it, it will show a newer version. So if I go about KD Live, you'll see that I have now the version 21.08.0, which is this one here. So this one is gone now. And so that is the best way to update or upgrade an application, which is an app image. And now you can close it and you can start it to work. That is the best way to update an app image by using the Menulibre. This way you don't need to create a script, you just replace one with another with the older version, what you can do is to delete it, or you can just save somewhere, because you never know. You replace the new one, you delete the old one, and then after using a few times, you don't like it. You find that is a bit strange or different, or something is missing. So it's always good to keep the previous version somewhere safe. If you have, fine, and then you delete it, and that's it. So that is the video that I wanted to do, just to show you guys the easiest way to do that. And I hope you guys enjoy. So I'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.